welcome to my video to learn how to make a wonderful video game with Unity. So today I will show you how to erase a game object in Unity. Okay, so this is Unity, the interface, it's my wonderful game, and I got a wonderful cube and a wonderful sphere. So I don't want to keep my sphere. So how to delete my wonderful sphere from my project? All you have to do is in Unity, you have to click right and click on delete, and it's deleting. Amazing. So this video is finished. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you for watching. See you for the next video.